Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video, I will teach you how to display characters briefly as you type password on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, go to security and location. Okay, tap this. Here in security and location, scroll down, and here in privacy section, you can see the show passwords, and on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. If this turn on or enable the switch button, so display character briefly as you type password. So you'll have to do to display the character briefly as you type password is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it, okay? So we have successfully displayed the character briefly as you type password on your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay, to turn off or disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it, okay? So we have successfully displayed character briefly as you type password on your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.